What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we got TicWatch Pro 3 GPS smartwatch with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the smartwatch inside, its highlighted features, specs, design and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here is the picture of the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. On the back of the box we got lots of information regarding the hardware specs and features of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. So it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform. We got Wear OS by Google, up to 72 hours of battery life in the smart mode and up to 45 days of battery life in essential mode. So this is really impressive and a very tall claim actually. So we will check it later, and it comes with two display, and AMOLED and one monochrome display. We will have a look on that in just a minute. Then TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is IP68 certified for waterproofing. You can even go for swimming wearing the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. It comes with a speaker and mic. So of course we will be able to give voice commands to Wear OS, and it comes with some sensors related to health and fitness tracking. So we got HD heart rate, stress and sleep tracking, SpO2 detection. It comes with more than 10 professional workout modes. We got Google Assistant built in that you can use to give voice commands using this mic here. And then we got NFC, Google Pay, more than 1000 watch faces that you can download from Google Play Store. And we got a powerful GPS built in TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the quick start guide. It was at the bottom of the box. And here we go. So this is the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Here we got the USB cable with the charging points here. So this will directly go to the smartwatch to charge the battery of it. Here we got some silicone gel to keep the box dry. And here we got product safety information, customer care information, and warranty card, etc. That's all. So inside the retail box of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, you will find the smartwatch, the USB charging cable, the quick start guide, and some user manuals. And here we go. So this is the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Let's remove this protective film here. So I just finished the setting up of the device and now we are ready to talk about TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. The setting process was a bit lengthy and maybe I will make a separate video to talk about all of them. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is made of stainless steel and the plastic. So the dial here that you are seeing is obviously metal. So this is a stainless steel and rest of the part is plastic body here. It weighs 42 grams, so it's pretty lightweight. And here you can see this is an always on secondary display here we got. So we got two display on this device. One is AMOLED and one is monochrome. So here we got two crowns, two buttons here. This is of course the power on off key, and this is the quick action button that you can use to customize the experience on this device. So you can assign any application on the second key, and once you press it, that will be launched. The silicone strap we got here is also very nice and it gives a fox leather impression, as you can see here. On the back side, we got the PPG sensors, LEDs and the connection point for the charger. So as we have seen during the unboxing that it comes with a unique charger and that's what you will have to use. And if you lose it somehow, then you will have to get a new one because this is quite unique. There's no USB Type-C charging or wireless charging. So this is one of the drawbacks of the design, we can say, that you will have to carry a special charger. Between these two physical buttons, we got the microphone, and then on the left side, we got the speakers using which you can make voice calls right from the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. So in terms of design and build quality, TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is quite nice. We got the combination of metal and plastic body. We got two physical buttons that we can use for multiple purposes. The steel frame is a bit elevated and it's going to protect the screen of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, and it comes with this dial effect that also looks quite nice. We can see a bit of bezels around the screen clearly from this angle. The only thing is that it comes with a special and unique charger that you will have to use with it. So now let's talk about this screen. As I said, it comes with two screens. TicWatch calls it dual display 2.0 technology. So here we got a low power consuming secondary always on display that is also part of the essential mode on TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, and then we got this primary 1.4 inch AMOLED display. So the display of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is quite sharp for sure, as you can see here, and this particular watch face is giving a fake impression of 3D effect here, as you can see. So if you use this primary AMOLED display on a smart mode, it will provide 3 days of battery life. And if we switch to essential mode with the secondary monochrome screen with heart rate monitoring, pedometer turned on, then we will get 45 days of battery life, and that is really impressive and amazing. So if you do not want to use all the smart functions like notification, application, making calls, replying to the messages, etc., then you can use the essential mode and then it will survive for 45 days. So these two screens we got here on TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, that is very unique, that you will not find on any other smartwatch. So this is one of the highlighted feature of this device as well. And talking about the features and software, device runs on Google's Wear OS. So once you go in the app drawer, this is the user interface you will get. So we can see that it comes with some TicWatch specific health application. So if you go to Tic Health, here you will get all of the information regarding your physical activities based on pedometer. So it will provide you the information regarding your steps count, how much minutes you walk, how much hours you walk, how much calorie you burned, and all these. Since TicWatch Pro 3 comes with a built-in GPS, it also provides the information regarding the distance you walked. Then we got Tic Exercise. As the name suggests, it will give you the option to select the physical activities and the exercises that you would like to perform wearing the TicWatch Pro 3 and use it for monitoring your physical activities. So you can select any of them and then it will provide you all of the information regarding your physical activities and exercises. Then we got Tic Pulse. This is the heart rate monitoring sensor. After that we got the Tic Sleep. This is for the sleep tracking. Tic Breath, using which you can perform some breathing exercises. After that we got Tic Zen. This is what evaluates your stress level based on 3 different categories. After that what we got is Tic Oxygen. This calculates the blood oxygen saturation level. And after that we got Tic Hearing. This is a new feature that uses the built-in microphone of TicWatch Pro 3 to monitor the loudness of the ambient sound. So you can see that while I'm speaking, it is constantly changing. I think I'm speaking very loudly because at 80 dB it's going red. I'm not sure about it. After that we got lots of Google's Wear OS apps. So we got a stopwatch, timer, alarm, weather, contacts, agenda. We got contacts and phone because this device comes with built-in microphone and speakers that we can use for making calls right from the smartwatch itself. Then we got essential mode. This is what I was talking about. If you go here, we will get the option to switch to essential mode. You can even configure when exactly you want essential mode to be turned on by itself. If you turn it on, as I have mentioned, the monochrome always on screen will be activated, and using this mode the battery will survive for 45 days. It provides you the basic information like the time, your steps count, and the heart rate data. So if you do not want to use the smart features based on the applications that we got, then you can use the essential mode, especially when the battery is going down. And then it comes with torch. If you just turn it on, then the screen will be brighten up, and as you can see that it's very bright. After that we got Find My Phone, using which you can find the phone that is connected with your smartwatch. Then we got settings, mobile privacy. This is a nice feature because it allows you to access all of your data and erase as well if you are feeling that you do not want to keep your data with mobile. So this is quite nice as well. And then we got Google Translate, Fit Breath, Fit Goals, and Fit Heart Rate, etc. And this is what I really do not like about the Google's Wear OS. As you can see that we got all of these Tic Health, Exercise, Pulse, Sleep, Breathe, Tic Zen, Oxygen already provided by mobile. We don't need these Google Fit applications like Breathe, Goals, Heart Rate, Workout again on our device, because it's just going to consume the amount of storage, nothing else, because we already got the applications that are going to perform the same function by the device manufacturer. And then we got hand wash timer. This is a very nice thing because, as you know, like we are going through this coronavirus pandemic, so this helps us to wash our hand, and it also shows for how much you should wash your hands. So it's like nearly 40 seconds. And after that we got Play Store reminders. So you can see that we got lots of Google applications like Play Store, reminders, Google Translate, and then lots of these Google Fit applications. We got agenda, other than the apps and features provided by Mobboy. If you want, you can even customize the position. You can drag and drop them wherever you want. So this is what we get in terms of user interface. Now talking about the watch faces, it comes with just 3 watch faces here, as you can see. But since this is a Wear OS device, you can literally download thousands of watch faces on your TicWatch Pro 3 GPS using the Wear OS application that we have used for this setting purpose. But by default we got only 3 watch faces here, but if you want, you can just tap here and then you can select any of these to appear along with these 3 watch faces. For example, if I want to use this one, so I can just use it and then it will appear in the favorite list and then I can use it. If you swipe from the top of the watch face, then we will get the quick action menu where you can perform some tasks, like you can turn on off the sound, you can use Find My Phone, you can turn on the torch, you can use the DND or flight mode, and you can see that you got a bit of pulse width modulation here. The screen is flickering, blinking kind of thing is happening. So this is an AMOLED screen and the PWM effect is clearly visible. And then if you swipe from the bottom to the top, so here you will find all of your notification. As you can see that my device is connected to my smartphone and I'm getting lots of notification from my Twitter, and here I can even read full messages. I can reply, retweet, like, or you can tap open on phone to launch the Twitter application and see this particular tweet or whatever message you are getting, whatever notification on your smartphone. And then if you swipe to right, here you will get the Google Assistant. So you can give the voice command to perform various tasks for like play music, send a message, and all these things. And if you swipe left, then Google Fit application will be launched. And then if you keep swiping, then we will get weather and reminders. So this is the user interface that we got on our TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Talking about the hardware, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC, 1GB RAM, 8GB storage. We got built-in GPS, NFC, accelerometer, and we got 595 mAh battery. So overall, TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is looking like a nice smartwatch. The design and build quality is nice. We got steel frame, plastic body, and silicone strap. We got 2 physical buttons. It comes with microphone and the speakers, using which you can make voice calls right from your smartwatch. In terms of hardware, we got the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon wearable chipset, 1GB RAM, 8GB storage, lots of sensors. TicWatch Pro 3 GPS comes with IP68 rating for being waterproof. It comes with a 1.4-inch AMOLED display, and then we got a secondary monochrome display as well. When it comes to software and OS part, the device is powered by Google's Wear OS. It comes with lots of custom applications from Mobboy, and then we got lots of Google Wear OS applications as well that you can use on your TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. For the health and fitness, we got Tic Health, Tic Exercise, Tic Pulse, sleep monitoring, breathing exercises, stress level monitoring, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, and it comes with lots of different kinds of physical activities and exercises that you can monitor using the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. The only drawbacks are that it comes with a unique charging solution, and the Google Wear OS comes with lots of bloatware. But this is just a quick impression video. We will see the performance of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS in our detailed review, where we will talk about all of its pros and cons after using it for a while. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when the detailed review of TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is live. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.